Okay, here we are in the 68 Camaro, and we're going to give a little test for the dual microphones and see how this sounds. So here we go. We're going to try and start it up. Let's go. Okay, so I have one microphone on the back of the rear bumper and one next to me. So hopefully it's recording both of them. Haven't tried this yet, but we're going to go out, take it through the gears a little bit, see what happens. I can't really do a stick shift and steer and hold the phone all at the same time, just two hands, but we're going to give it a try. So I might get a little seasick watching this, but see what happens. Off with a fast idle because it was cold. Now it's idling normally, so it should be regular normal idle at this point. Now the gate's open, we can get out. I'm trying to steer and hold the phone with one hand and shift with the other. See how successful I am. We're in first gear right now. Test this out with one hand and see how I do. Well, now I'm third. We're already going close to 40, so a little bit of a winding road. Got to slow down a bit. Again, hopefully it's recording the sound. Still gonna let it warm up a little bit more. It's kind of interesting doing all this with two hands here. Let's see if I can make something come out of here pretty good. Still in third gear. Revving it up a little bit. Slow down. Warmed up a little bit before I hit it very hard. Alright, coming up to a stop sign here. Creep across. This is an interesting intersection with a big island in the middle and a stop sign. Wait for this truck to come in. Get going. Some guy driving on the wrong side of the road here. Wow. Nice. All right, well, I couldn't hit it much in fourth because I was already going pretty fast. But let's see what happens here. Turn around and go back. Alright. Quick little U-turn here. Go back into first. And here we go. Catching this car pretty fast. I gotta slow down a little bit. Okay, let's see. This next one is our turn. Back. Alright, folks. I'm gonna try and go around this corner up here and we'll see how the sound is. Hopefully it represents the actual sound of the car pretty well.